Copyright disclaimer. Under Title 17 U.S.C. Section 107, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips a balance in favor of fair use. Lawsuit was filed by Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. And we have to pay really close attention to what agencies are actually doing something and what agencies aren't doing anything. Dentist settles forced Scientology harassment case. Dated January 14th, 2009. They love them harassing some women in there or some minors. They just love that. A Chicago dentist has agreed to pay $62,500 to settle federal allegations that he violated U.S. discrimination laws by sexually harassing workers, women by the way, and by forcing employees who wanted to keep their jobs to submit to indoctrination in the tenets of Scientology. The Chicago office of the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission had filed a civil lawsuit against James L. Orrington in September 2007, asserting he had discriminated against 18 employees by subjecting them to sexual propositions. I'm going to assume all these were women. Comments and improper touching. The suit also alleged that Orrington violated federal laws by requiring workers to engage in Scientology religious practices and learn about Scientology as conditions of their employment. They sure do have a lot of creeps in Scientology. The suit filed in Chicago federal court also alleged that Orrington violated civil rights law by firing or taking other retaliatory actions against some employees who had complained about his behavior. A consent decree filed with the U.S. District Court Tuesday calls for Orrington to pay $4,062,500 to the workers involved and enjoins him from further sexual or religious workplace discrimination. A consent decree resolves a lawsuit, but doesn't include an admission of guilt by the defendant. Does it sound like Scientology? Source from Chicago dentist to settle for Scientology harassment case, James P. Miller, Chicago Sun-Times, January 13, 2008, summarized by Religion News Blog. I will make sure to leave the link in the description box. Like and subscribe if you choose. Have an amazing day or night wherever you are. Peace.